Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to build an e-commerce website from scratch, and we'll be doing this with WordPress. So I'm sure majority of us knows what e-commerce is all about. E-commerce website is just an online marketplace where one can purchase or sell a product from the comfort of your home. All right, so these are examples of e-commerce websites. We have the AliExpress. AliExpress is an e-commerce website. You see the categories right here, and these are some of the here is saying Black Friday coming soon. These are super deals, and this is konga.com. This is also a wonderful e-commerce website. You can also search for a product or whatever you're looking for. Same thing goes with Jumia. So these are their categories. Alright, so this is a good example of e-commerce website. We have different sellers on this platform and different people buying from different sellers. So this is what we are going to be building from scratch using WordPress. Right, so what we need to go to our cPanel. I'll be using workcircle.com.ng/cPanel. Make sure you purchase your own domain name and hosting. So when you purchase the domain name and hosting, you will have access to cPanel. All right. Once you get to cPanel, you scroll down. You scroll down to Softaculous App Installer. Okay. You click. Then you install the WordPress, which is this one. You click to install. Okay, so like I said in my previous video, if I'm to use this website, workcircle.com.ng, it will overwrite the content on the website, which is about to load. So this is workcircle.com.ng, and I wouldn't want to piss the owner off by overwriting their website. All right, so what I need to do, I'll just open a directory. And install this WordPress in it. So why I'm saying this is that if you purchase a domain name, workcircle.com.ng or whichever domain name you choose, definitely this would not be available again. Whatever domain name you choose and you want to use it strictly for e-commerce, all you need to do when installing your WordPress, you just come right here and delete anything you see inside this directory. Just delete and put your password, then you go and install. But since there's already a content on this workcircle.com.ng, which is this, and I wouldn't want to disable what is here, right? So I'll just use I'll use ecom. This is an example. All right, so once I use ecom, the website will come out like this: workcircle.com.ng/ecom. I just want to differentiate it. So now I'll put password. This is our usual password for training. So I'll just come right here and click install. I'll give it time to install. Okay, So now we can just, let's open this in new tab, and this is our back end. This is it. This is workcycle.com.ng/ecom, just like I said. Alright, but we don't need this. You see, it's empty. So I'll just come here to log into my back end, admin back end. I'll just click. This will take me straight to my back end, which is this. So first thing I need to do is to install a plugin called Classic Editor. Okay, you just come here and add new. Then this is the plugin Classic Editor. You hit on install, and after installing, we just have to activate. Okay, after installing our plugin Classic Editor, you come straight to appearance, because we want to install the theme we'll be using to build this e-commerce website. We'll just come here and click on add new. Then we hit on upload theme. The name of the theme we want to use is called Basel. This is it right here, Basel. So I'll just take the Basel and drop it here, then hit on install now. So this will take a little time to install, so we just have to wait for it to be done. Okay, now it has installed successfully. Alright, so we just come to activate, click on activate. Okay, now we click on this begin installing plugins. The theme comes with its own plugins we have to install, and these are the plugins. There are 12 of them. So we just mark all, go to bulk action, change it to install, then you hit apply. You wait for it to install each and every one of these plugins. Alright guys, see, it has installed all the plugins. It took a while, but it's worth it. Alright, so now all we need to do is go to our dashboard just to reload. Alright, now we have been told that the following plugins are currently inactive, which are all these. So let's just go to activate the plugins. You see, these are the plugins and they need activation. So we'll just check all the boxes, go to bulk action and click on activate, then we hit apply. So this will automatically activate all the plugins. As you can see, it's saying they were all successfully activated. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. Okay, this is WooCommerce. So for WooCommerce, we'll just put the country we are creating, or the country where your client is staying, or where the store is, and I'm going to choose Nigeria, Abuja. Okay, that is country and region together. And for the address, I'll just put okay, city, could still put this email address. I want it to be info at admin. Make sure if you're using anything you're using here, you should go and create it from your webmail. Okay, I've created info@workcycle.com.ng. that's why I'm using it. Alright, so I'll just click on continue. Okay, here you can click continue or count me in. So the second step, in which industry does the store operate? You ask your client, is it going to be health, beauty, electronics and computer, fashion, apparel and accessories? So you just choose whichever one you feel your client would, or whichever one your client tells you to use. Okay, let me just use the first three, then you hit on continue. Okay, what type of products will be listed? Is it going to be physical products or any of these? So I'll just choose physical products and continue. But most of the things we order online are physical products. How many products do you plan to display? Let's say you can choose this. Currently selling elsewhere, you hit on no. So this I am setting up for a client, then you hit on continue. Just continue. Okay guys, here is our parcel and we just have to click on continue with my active theme. These things takes time, alright? So you just have to be patient. It really takes a lot of time to load. Alright. So once you get here, we just go back to our back end. Go to our back end. Alright, this is our admin back end. And as you can see, these are all the plugins, and this is the Basel theme. Okay, and where is our WooCommerce? This is our WooCommerce. So you can always come here, go to settings, set. Alright, you can come here and do the necessary settings. So once you're done with the WooCommerce settings, saying I have 6 notifications there. Okay, you can just come back here later. So we'll go straight to the Basel, this one here. Then we click on base import. You click. Once it loads, you click on this import base data. You wait for it to get up to 100. Alright, this has imported. Just ignore this error message here. Right, so now we can select whatever demo we want to use. Okay, we have different type of demo ranging from fashion, lighting, bakery, medical, beer, sushi, hot hookahs, posters, games, and all of that. So let's try marketplace and see. We set up version. Okay, so now we'll just go to our website and see what we have. All right, this is what marketplace looks like. We can, once we use this templates or this demo, we can go ahead and change the color to what suits us, and we'll go ahead and change this logo, Basel and Co. Right, let's try and check another. Let's say fashion, then we set up. Okay, so go back and reload. Alright, this is fashion and this is cool, right? All these can be edited and we'll do that. Let's check for another one. Let's say cars. If you want to be selling cars, or you want to create an e-commerce website for cars. Okay, it's imported. Go and reload. Whoa. So this is for the cars. We have a bestseller, no categories. Okay, and various brands. You can put various brands right here. Alright, let's go back to marketplace here and set a version. Okay, let's be sure. Alright, this is our marketplace and these are our categories, right? So first thing, let's go ahead, change the logo. So just go to my logo editing app and do something simple in order to save our time. So to get the accurate size of this logo, you right click on it and you save the image. Let's save it. So I'll come here and file, open. It's on my desktop and it's this. Alright, this is the logo. So I'll just delete this one. All I need is this size. Okay, so I'll just make something simple. If you're building for a client, your client should be able to provide you with the logo, or you get creative. Okay, I'll just use WC Ecom. WC Ecom. Okay, and I'll put it here. I think this is okay for me. So I'll just go right ahead and export this. export, replace. Alright, so to change our logo, let's go to our back end. We'll go to Basel theme settings. Alright, then we'll come to header. Under general settings, you come to header, which is this. Okay, this is a header. Then we'll go to it's on my desktop, so I'll just go and drag and then I drop. Alright, so I'll just hit on select. This is it. I'll do the same thing, upload for this. You click and you select this other one, say white. So I'll just go right ahead, change this color to white. This is white, and I'll export it. Export. So I'll go back and okay, I'll upload white image logo. I'll just upload the white logo and drop it here. Then I'll select. So I'll just come and save changes. Right. So let's go and reload. Our logo has been changed successfully. Alright, so the next thing, we'll go to our back end, we'll go to color. We'll go to color, let me see. Okay, this top bar, you can change the color from here. Go to top bar. Alright, this is the top bar background color. Let's say you want a blue color. Alright, this is blue color. I'll just go with this. Then save changes. Once you save changes, you come back, you reload to see what you're doing. See, I've changed this to blue. Then for us to change this phone number here, we'll just scroll down. It's still on the top bar. This is text in the header top bar. So this is it. You just go right, and this is the number. Edit only the number. Alright, so I'll just put my number. Alright, then if you want to change the color, you see these are color codes, so you can use your own color code and change the color. I've saved changes, come here, reload. Alright, this is my number. Alright, so let's go ahead and change this other green to blue. You come to styles and color. Okay, styles and color. Primary color, I think I want a bit of red. I think this this is okay. So I'll save. You look for other necessary colors you feel you can change. Let's come here and reload. See, this has been changed. This is now my primary color. Primary color should match this blue. So I'll just go ahead and change it back to blue. So my site would not be looking like colors are fighting. Okay, so I think blue is okay. Okay, for the footer, you can choose. This is the layout. It is on. Background, I think I should use the blue for the footer and save changes. So let's go and reload. The footer should be, this is our footer. Alright, it's now blue. When we start imputing our products, all this green would not show. So we'll be carrying the picture of the product. So let's do that right away. So we'll go to our products. Where is our product? Okay, here is our product. Okay, these are all the products we are seeing currently, all these. Okay, so let's just edit. Let's say you want to edit. All right, you click on this, edit. The title, let's go to Jumia and pick one product. Let's say this. All right, so this is the title here, which I'll copy. Then come here and paste this. All right, okay, so the product short description, which is this. Where is it? Okay, this is its product, I think. Yeah, this is the product short description. I'll copy it and come here to paste it. If this is too far for you, you can drag it up. Or you use this one to take it up and take it up. Alright, so this is our short description. Then for the other description, which is this, you just take your time, copy this key features, you copy, come here, you paste, right? Then you go down, you copy the next one, which is let's cancel this, specifications, and to copy. Make sure you don't use yours as Jumia Mall. Then you paste, right? So once you're done, we'll have to add our product image, which we'll download from here. You save image, save. All right, then you upload the image. So set product image, and you bring the one you downloaded here. Then you set product image. Once you're done, come here and click on update. Update is like an overall save. Then you come here and reload. Okay, here is our first product. So guys, to change your currency, you come to WooCommerce. Once you get to WooCommerce, you go to settings, then under general you'll see where, okay, currency option, it's already in Nigeria, but if yours is not in Nigeria, it should be on US dollar. So you change it to Nigerian naira, and once you're done, you click on save changes. Then you can still come to your all products here. Alright, then this is the one we did. Okay, so we just come to edit, and we have to, okay, this is categorized under man, and I'll have to click on shoes to check shoes also. Alright, then let's come here and check. If you want to give a discount, like this one is saying 29% off, this is a discount. If you want to do this, just scroll down all the way. Once you get to general, this is the regular price, 79 naira, and you want to sell it for 50 naira. So you just put 50 naira here, and this would automatically discount it for you. Once you're done, you come and update. Come and update. Once you update, you come back and reload. And after reloading, you see the discount option. You're giving 37% discount. You see how it slashed the previous 70 naira to 50. So that means you're giving away 37% discount for that shoe. Okay, so we can go back to all products to upload another one. Let's come here, edit. Let's look for another product. Okay, let's use this mobile phone. I'll just copy the title, come to my own website and paste it here. And then you come here. I didn't show you guys this part. You come here, delete everything here, then you click on OK. Then you go to product short description, this is it here. Then you copy a short description. Alright, this is not as short as I think, but let's copy this part first as short description. Then I'll paste it. Then for this other long description, I'll just copy all these, Ctrl C, then paste, go down. I'll copy the remaining, which is specifications, key features. C and paste. Alright, so we'll go, it's a phone, mobile phone. We add new category. I'll show you where else you can add categories. Mobile phone, okay, mobile phone is here. I'll untick women. Then we get our image here, right click and save image as. Okay, let's go ahead and add that. Come here, I want to add image. Let's click this to edit, upload. Okay, set. So once we're done setting and we make sure it's a mobile phone, let's come here and update. So once we update, we'll come here and reload. This is mobile phone. Okay, you can also add discount for this, and to do that, let's add a discount. To do that, we'll just scroll down all the way down till we get to this general. Let's say the price is 59,000 and you really want to sell it for 50,000, right? Or let's just copy what they did here. Okay, 59,000 to 53,190. 59,000 to 53,190. Okay, then once we're done, just go to update. So this is 10% discount. So we update ours. You see, it's 10% discount, just like theirs here. Alright. So if this product is out of stock, you come to inventory and click, okay, here stock status, it's in stock. If it's out of stock, you just come here and click out of stock, right? Then you go and update. Always update. Once you update, you're trying to say you're done and it should save for it to publish on the front end. So we reload and we'll see out of stock. You see it's sold out. All right, that is how to tag a product out of stock. So let's say you want to add categories. You come to appearance, you go to menu. This is these are all the categories, and you may not need all these categories while building yours, so you just come here. Okay, it's on categories already. If you choose a template that has a menu, you come to create a new menu, main menu, and or choose this one also, then you create menu. Okay, after creating your menu, see it's here already, main menu. Then you choose blog, contact us, frequently asked questions. Then I think our shop, let's search for our shop. If you do a show, okay, our shop, then you add to menu. Blog, I didn't add the previous ones to menu, contact us, and this add to menu. Right, I just created a menu and I'll save. So we'll come here and reload to see our menus. Okay, this is now our menu. So like I was saying before, for the categories, we'll come here and select categories. Then we hit on this select to bring back our categories. Then whichever categories you don't need, like this furniture, if I don't need it, I'll just click on the drop down and you come to remove, and that should do it. Furniture is gone. For sports and outdoors, same thing. You click, then you scroll down to remove. Do not make mistake to delete your menu, like something like this. You hit this, then you come to delete menu. No, you scroll down and you remove menu. All right, and if you feel it's okay for you, you hit on save menu, and you can add new category. I think this fashion should, this is to view all. Fashion can go, add to menu, and here's our fashion. Can drag it up, put it here, then you save menu. Okay, alright guys, we can now go ahead and continue adding products. Let's add more products to use a product. Now I can leave. So I've added 2 products, these 2. So instead of editing previous products, let me just come to add new, click on add new, and let's look for something else to add. Let's go home. Let's look for this shirt. It's not bad. So copy the title, Ctrl C, go to our home page, paste it, then our short description first, which is this. You copy and you paste, then we come to specifications, copy and you paste. Alright, so for the image, copy, save this image, save, then I want us to save another color of that image. Let's say this one. Okay, this is the black. So let's say I want to save this one also. Save. Then I'll come to my own website. And this is for email. Okay, let's set product image. I'll take this one, drag, and I'll drag this one here. Okay, set product image, then I'll just remove this navy blue since I'm uploading that of black and navy blue. Then for other product gallery, this is where I'll now come to add the other black color, this one, then add to gallery. Then you select your categories, men, pink, okay, men's clothing also. Alright, then you come and publish. Don't forget, you can also impute your price. If you're giving a discount, you do that right here. Use your price. Then if it's out of stock, you come to inventory. Okay, so let's check. Alright, this is it. So you can simply click on this to read more. Okay, these are the images. Alright, so let's go back. Input price, let's say 5,000. To give it at a discount, 3,000. Then I'm going to update this. Update. So we reload. Alright, 40% discount. So what I'll do now, just add more product. So now we can come ahead and reload to see what we've done so far. Right, and this our shop is not yet linked. So this our shop is supposed to bring us to all our products. So let's go back to our menus and do that. Okay, still under category, you come and change to main menu, hit on select, you leave. Okay, this our shop. Let's add it to menu. Okay, we can delete this, remove, then we go ahead and title this our shop. I think it's better this way. Then we save menu. So once you save your menu, you come back here, you reload this page. Okay, and this is our shop. You click, and here are all our products so far. We have this, and this. So what I'll do now, I'll just go ahead and fill all these so it will look nice. Right, let's see what's on the second page. Okay, this phone, right? But before I do that, I'll come to our back end, go to products. I want to delete all these ones, this, just tick them. Yeah, work action, move to trash, then apply. I can always add new products instead of editing these ones. All right, these are our products. We have 5 of them. Okay, so we'll come here, reload, and here are our products. So I'll just add 3 more products and we'll proceed. Alright guys, having done that, I'll just come and reload our shop. Okay, these are what we have so far. Alright, and we can click on anyone to view. These are the descriptions, specifications, and we can go back, then add to cart. To be added to our cart, yes, 3,000. You can also add to favorite or wish list. Then you come here to check. So guys, another very important thing again, we go to our home page. Go to our home page, wait for it to load. Right, this is our home page. To edit all these ones, all these here, what all you need to come to this edit with WP Bakery page builder. You click on it, it will open up a panel where we can edit on this front end. Okay, so yes, now we can edit all these. This is the promo banner. You can change the color to suit your own style, if it's blue or let's say, I think I'll just do one. To edit this text, you click on this promo banner. You click on this edit promo banner. All right. Once you click, this will show. See, this is the Galaxy S7 Edge with the innovation. All right. So all you need to do is delete this, and let's say you want to put, or you want to advertise for someone. Let's say discount for VIP shoppers, right? And you can check for whatever settings you need, right? Then the color, you come here, you can change this, or you add. I'll just pick something from the library instead of creating another color, right? So I'll just pick, and we save changes. Alright, so this is how to go about changing using your front end. Or if you still want to use color, alright, if you still want to use color, let's change this to Louis Vuitton. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. Saved. Okay, now we want to use a blue color. All right, what's the size of the color? Okay, 262 by 256. So we'll just come to our app, 262 by 256. All right, then bring in rectangle. Okay, just size this, and I'll change the color. Change the color to blue, something like this, and I'll save or export. Alright, after exporting, I'll just come here and import my color. This is it. I'll just bring it here to upload, and once it's done uploading, I'll just hit on set image. Okay, then save changes, and here we go. Okay, this is our slider revolution. So change this slider. We'll go back. Let's just hit on update. Do not forget to hit on update. Alright, so if you want to change this color, you do the same thing I did here. Okay, after updating, we'll just exit the back end, exit the front end builder. Then for our slider, this is our slider. You just come to slider revolution, you click to load, or you come to your back end, locate your slider revolution here. We have so many slider here, and to identify the slider we want to work on, we can't just pick anyone. We need to pick the one that is showing here. So to identify the one showing here, we'll go to edit with WP Bakery. We click to open. So once it opens, this is slider revolution slider, and you click like you want to edit it. Okay, this is the name of this slider, home marketplace. All right, so now all we need to do is to go to our slider and locate home marketplace. This is okay, this is home marketplace, and this is the one we want to edit. So let's click to open. Once it opens, we'll go and confirm the image. Okay, you see these are the images we are seeing here. This is for the second slide. All right, that means we are correct. So we can just exit this and come back. Then we can choose to do something simple. Now I just want to show you how to go about designing your slider revolution. This is slide 1, and this is the second slide. You can add slide, you can duplicate right here. The weight, you see it has been duplicated. So you can also delete a slide. Let's delete, and you hit on OK. Once you're done, this is to save. You save the slide once you're done. So let's go and look for simple images for guitar. Right? Yeah, I'm sure this will give us what we're looking for. Let me save this one. Okay, all I have to do now is to come to my slider revolution, go to media library, then I'll upload the one I want. This, then I'll insert. This is it at the back here. So I'll just go ahead and delete these ones that I don't need. Delete. Yeah. Delete. Okay. And delete. Okay. Alright, so this is my first slide. For this link, view all deals. What I'll need to view all deals, I'll come to our shop. I want to direct people to our shop. You copy this link, Ctrl C. You go back to your slider. You click on this link, this button. Right? You come to actions. Then this plus sign here, you click on it. Then this disabled, you click and come to simple link. The link URL will be where you paste the link you just copied. Then you save. Once you save, anyone that clicks on this link to view all deals, they will see our shop. Let's try it and see. Let's go home. Right? Okay, this is our image. We've changed, and this is the view all deals, and I'll just click on it and it takes me to our shop. So you can choose to use whichever categories link you want for your slider buttons. Okay, so you can change this by clicking. Once you click, you double click to start editing. Let's say want it 50% off. Biggest sale of this season. Yeah, it's okay. Inspired by sound. Then we'll do something like this. Buy base guitar. Very affordable price for a very low price. Alright, once you're done, you hit this and here you go. So you can change color of this text into A, and here's the color. Let's say you want something darker. See it's now black, but black would not be good. Come to color, change it back to this. Alright, this is not bad. You can change the line height and I just play around all these. Alright, so once you're done with this, you save. Then you come to your second slide. Okay, you click to go to your second slide, and once it loads, this is what we have. Right, then you come to your media library, then you upload whatever one you wish, and this is the previous one. Let's delete right here. Okay, click delete. Okay, click delete, and here we go. You can also use the same link, or if you have link to your accessories, you bring your link to accessories here. Simple link, and you paste. Once you paste, you save, and that should do it. Alright, so you come here, you reload, and the former picture is gone. You make sure you arrange this properly. I didn't see this. Then this one, once you click, let's click to open, and our button works. Okay guys, next thing we need to do is our footer. We need to change all these. Alright, we need to change all these. In order to do this, we'll come to our back end, then we'll go to appearance, come to widgets, you click on widgets. First thing we need to do is to replace our logo here. Okay, so this is okay. You can just cancel. Okay, footer column 1. Let's click. Okay, here it's the logo. Here's for logo. So what we need to do, we'll go to our media library. Okay, I'll just open this in a new tab. Open link in a new tab. So we'll have to change this logo, right? Just add new and bring the logo. I'll use the dark one, copy the link and I'll paste it here. Replace only the link, okay? So come here, reload, and here we go. It has changed to Ecom, our logo. So next thing to do, come to footer column 2. Alright, this is New York. This is the column 2. New York, London is our stores. You can choose let's say, just change this to where our shop would be, Abuja. Alright, then Lagos. Then you remove this, then you use, let's say, Benin. That should be Edo State. Right, then if you don't need the rest, you delete from here up. Okay, don't delete this one, it's used to close this class here, the menu. The title is still our store. Once we're done with this, click on update, then you come here, reload, say Abuja, Lagos, Edo. So we'll come back, let's go to our footer 3, click, our about store. You have to get an about us page. I'll remove all these ones. Then the contact us, you go and copy the link of contact us. This is contact us. Alright, so I'll just copy this link, Ctrl C, then bring it here, this pound sign, I'll paste it there. Alright, latest news should be blog, so I'll go to blog. I have a link for blog, yeah. I'll copy the link for blog, then I'll put it here. Then sitemap, I will delete it, I don't need it. So whatever you don't need, you delete. Once I'm done, I will update. Why I'm putting all this link is to make these ones here clickable, to redirect people to another page, right? So I'll just go home, then the contact us. Once anyone clicks like this, it takes them to contact us. Mind you, you can edit all this from the front end using the WP bakery, right? So for footer column 4, you do the same thing. You have a privacy policy, return policy, you copy the link and replace it with this pound sign. You go to column 5, Instagram profile. Yes, you bring your Instagram profile. For Instagram, change this to instagram.com/. Right, then Facebook also. Let's say this new collection, you want to change it to Facebook. You go and delete, instead of new collection, you put Facebook. Then you put your Facebook, if it's a page or whatever, facebook.com/webempire. Right, then I can go ahead and delete the ones I don't like, or the ones I don't need rather. Then I update. Once I update, I'll just come back home to make everything reload. Then okay, this Instagram profile, this Facebook profile. So I'll just click Instagram profile. Alright, this will take us to take it to your page. Then you do same thing for column 6. You pick all the necessary things you need, and you can choose to delete whichever one you don't need. Okay, let's say this useful link, let's say I don't want it, I can delete the footer column. Come here, options, and remove legacy widgets. Right, this has been removed. Then you update. Okay, well, I do not want to remove it. So once you update, you won't have that column there. Alright, okay guys, finally, how to configure online payment for your product. Definitely, if people want to check out, you need to put a payment gateway, right, for them to be able to purchase whatever they have in their carts. So all you need to, you come to paystack.com. Once you get to Paystack, make sure you create an account. It's free. You come to under developers, you go to overview. Right, under overview, you just scroll down and get to this part of their website. You hit on WordPress because we are using WordPress. Alright, so now we can download the plugin. Alright, we choose Paystack WooCommerce. This is the one we need. You click on it. Then you hit on download. So this is going to download the plugin you will use to configure that payment gateway. So we'll go to our plugins to upload, add new. We'll add new plugins. Then we upload plugin. Then choose file. It should be on my downloads, and this is it. I upload, then install now. So we'll give it time to install. Alright, it has installed successfully. Then we'll activate plugin. Okay, let's see Paystack. This is Paystack right here. So to set this Paystack, we go to Ecommerce. Alright, Ecommerce. Then we go to settings. We hit on settings. Then once you get to settings, you go to payments, right? Then we use Paystack. Click on finish setup, right? Now this is the part where you log into your Paystack account. Log in, because they are asking us to put some codes here to make this payment gateway work. Alright, so we have to put test secret key and test public key. So let's go ahead and test this. I'll just log in. Okay, once you log in, you come to settings, and once you get to settings, you come to this API keys and webhooks. Alright, then you copy the secret key, you go to your back end and paste it on secret key. You go back to your Paystack, copy public key, then you go to your back end and paste it. Alright, once you're done, hit save. Come here and fill your details. Immediately you fill your details, your client can then place an order. Okay, you see, now your clients can input their card number and make payment for the product. Alright, and once they make payment, you will receive your money. Okay, for this Paystack, you can get these details from your client, or you help your client to create a Paystack account with their consent, of course. Alright, and make sure you use your real name and real phone number, real address, because they have to verify you before you'll be able to open an account with them. Alright, so guys, that is how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. It's pretty easy. If you need this Basel theme, you can just get my number displaying on the screen and chat me up, and then we'll discuss on how to get you the Basel theme and for you to start building e-commerce website for your clients and you making a whole lot of money. Alright, kindly like and share this video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.